On rustica.far we will discuss the hidden enemies of the garden, particularly those that are hidden in the orchard. There are hidden enemies, and then there are those we can see, for example Monilia, that infamous fungus that attacked your apples this summer. So when there are these kinds of slightly wrinkled, withered apples left, we will go ahead and remove them. So there are those that we can catch, the ones that are within reach, and then there are all those apples that are hanging in the tree. It is important to detach them since it is a disease that may be contracted for the next year. It is a fungus. We will continue to clean our fruit tree. We will give it a nice structure. So we will remove the small branches inside, since we will take the opportunity to apply the whitewash. But before applying the whitewash, we will clean our trunk with a dog-tooth brush, simply using water, which will help remove all the peeling bark. We do not use a metal brush as it could injure the tree. It is important to focus on the forks because this is where the black aphids settle. So here we are faced with a cavity. There is a hole in the tree. This is due to rot and poor pruning at a certain time. So when you are faced with that, it's better to seal it up. And for that, I use clay. The clay that will help to fill this cavity and disinfect the hole. So the advantage is that if it rains this winter, the frost won't get inside, which will help prevent new cracks. And now we will apply the whitewash, a natural whitewash that will help eliminate the eggs of woolly aphids, as well as everything that is cryptogamic, fungi in general, and all the pests that reside on your fruit tree. In the past, whitewash was mainly used when an important personality visited the village. The mayor asked the gardeners and farmers to whitewash the trees, simply to explain that in this village the trees were well maintained. And if there was a small grant to apply for, one would immediately notice that it was a well-maintained village. And for those who do not like the white color on tree trunks, you always have the option to imitate the color of the bark. And for that you use sienna earth, which will color your white to brown. You understand? To eliminate the hidden enemies of the garden, it is better to prevent than to cure.